One, welcome to Vasudha Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for the month of June 2021 for the zodiac sign Virgos, and this is a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship. Also, one more thing, guys. If you want to enroll for one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to, have a 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to have a vastu and energy consultation, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see what Virgos are going through in the month of 2021. Thunderbolt, something is still shaking up for you. Okay, something major, a thunderbolt will be happening. Something will shake up your life this month. Okay, I don't know what, or something recently has been shaken up in your life. You're going through some major rebirth. Endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you. Okay, which is very good. I think you are ending a karmic cycle mostly. Okay, so yeah, that's a good thing. There's a difference going on between head and heart. Okay, or your inner world says you something and your outer world says you something, and that disappoints you a lot. Okay, the third eye chakra is opening, which is way too good. You're feeling very lonely. Okay, like feeling very lonely and very alone. Okay, like you feel that I have to be alone in this life, or you're feeling very lonely just in the month of June. Third eye chakra is opening due to something happened into recently, or something will happen in this month. But yeah, third eye chakra, spiritual awakening is starting for you. You're letting go of something. Okay, like letting go of the past situations, past people in your life, and moving on, or thinking to move on. You will be converting your passion into profession, Virgos, this month, which is very good. A major breakthrough will be coming in the upcoming weeks or months. Major breakthrough, either financially or your career wise. But yeah, major breakthrough will be coming mostly in between next 4 months, like within next 4 to 5 months. Major breakthrough is about to come in your life. Okay, you are juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decisions. It can be either related to career or relationship. Okay, like this situation is going on currently with you in your life. Okay, so yeah, yes, you are juggling between two choices, two options, two connections, two decision. Past is not going to come back to you. Okay, if you are thinking that past should come back, or will they be coming back, if you have any question about it, then past person will not be coming back in your life. Okay, so, and you had a lot of disappointments into your life. Okay, like when they were there in your life, you were going from 6 to 5. Okay, so a lot of fights, problems, issues happened, and that disappointed you a lot into your life. Okay, or fights are going on currently with you. Okay, fights are going on currently with you. You're releasing sleepless nights, anxiety issues. I think you'll be having few of the sleepless nights and anxiety issues a bit. Okay, so just think about it, because you're going through some major spiritual awakening in the month of June. Okay, you're reaching to the higher vibrational level of spirituality, which is very good. Trust your intuition level more at this time. Okay, something is going to shake up your life. I don't know what, but yeah, something is going to shake up. You are thinking two people at a distance, not talking to each other, and not communicating with each other. Past is not going to come back if you are thinking about that person. Okay, you want to reconcile with that person, or the other person wants to be with you. That was a spiritual connection, a spiritual or a twin flame connection. So yeah, separating and coming back, and it's like a spiritual connection. If you are already single, a new person might enter into your life very soon. But yeah, you are feeling weak because of the fights happening around you, or with the people around you. So that's the thing. But two people are thinking to come together, thinking about each other, missing each other. Yes, but there is a divine timing. If you are at a separation, or if two people are having fights, problems, issues into their relationship, there's a divine timing playing its role, which is way too good. Okay, you want to reach out to someone, or someone wants to reach out to you. Either you are in less communication or no communication, you have cut it off the communication with someone, something like that is happening. You are unable to gain a clarity. मतलब आपको now you are thinking that you want to gain a clarity related to a situation. So in the month of June you will gain a lot of clarity. Okay, also I feel that you will be thinking to move away from problems, fights, issues that disappoints you a lot. Okay, and that's why you will be you are very unhappy right now. I think you need to make a decision very soon into your life, okay, related to a person. So yeah, let's see what is your life purpose. You need to meditate this month. You need to go to yoga classes, or you need to go to yoga. Okay, you need to let go of the situation, walk away from the situation in order to resolve it. Okay, you need to walk away from fights, problems, issues if you are having in relationship. Let go and move on. Okay, once you start moving on, then things will start changing in your favor. Okay, strength, you are being very strong right now. You are presenting that you are very strong. Okay, but I know how Virgos are. They are very insensitive from inside. You need to read, research, educate. You can spend your time in books or studying something that will really heal you out. You need to make a decision, as I said, related to a relationship. Make a decision based on your heart's true desire. Okay, yes, you might go into vlogging or writing something. Write your heart out. If you really want to resolve things, or you really want to not think about much, then start writing on the page and a paper and flush it off. That's the bestest therapy I would ever suggest you. Okay, if you're asking a lot of questions, then questions are lying within you only. Okay, you don't need to ask from others, it's within you. What's happening in your love life? Let's see your love reading. Yes, let go the control issues. Okay, one of the person was very controlling in this relationship, so you need to let go of the situation. He or she might be a karmic person to you, or if you were there, you need to let go of the situation. Your love life might be affected by children's. Okay, so yeah, whatever happened, this separation or fights in your relationship is happening, Virgos, then this is hitting you hard, because you need to change from the love path to the spiritual path. You need to divert yourself, your path of spirituality you need to go on. Okay, like you need to divert your path. That is what universe is saying. Okay, let me go here. Okay, you need a vacation. Okay, you need to disconnect from the world, and you need to go out for a vacation for sure. Okay, self-love and self-care. You need to love yourself first, and only then the others will start loving you, Virgos. Okay, you deserve love. Wow. So you need to go for self-love, self-care, and once you do that, trust me, you will become more attractive to others. Okay, that's the thing. Other people will get more attracted to you. That's the whole thing. I think your love life, whatever complications you are having in your love life, that is affecting your financial life and your career life also, because you are unable to focus on your work. Okay, don't do that. You see, this might be a twin flame connection. Okay, divine timing playing its role. Okay, so there is a divine timing which is playing its role, and it's worth waiting for. Okay, so you need to wait for a while, because you might reconcile in the future, but it will be happening at a divine timing. It's a twin flame reading, guys. Virgos who are dealing with a twin flame connection, not everybody it will resonate with. Okay, so I hope you like this reading, Virgos. I hope this resonates with you. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vasol Tarot Prediction, guys. Bye bye, take care.